Howdy friends, I'm so glad you stayed because now we have a fun activity we're going to do with a little help from the grown-ups. Today we're going to be making one of the flowers you might have read about in the book. And this flower, we're going to be making a sunflower, like this. Now grown-ups, I've done a little bit of a pre-work and made some of the supplies already. So if you'd like to pause the video to do that, feel free to do so. So what you're going to need for this project are about 6 green pipe cleaners to make up our stem. What you're going to need is some felt as well to make up the centerpiece, and some yellow flower petals. Now, I cut these out of a napkin. You can use tissue paper or something thin just to kind of give it that petally texture. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut your fabric. I normally take just the base of a jar. You can trace that with a pen or pencil, whatever you need to make that perfect circle. Just like so. And then you will cut that out. So now that you've cut out your circle, we're going to set that off to the side, and we're going to take all 6 of the green pipe cleaners and we're going to braid them together. So you're going to take the tops and make sure they're even. And then you're going to twist them off up at the head. You can bend them over if you'd like as well. Then take all of your green pieces and separate them out by 2s. And then braid them together. So now that the pipe cleaner is braided together, you're just going to fold over that piece to the bottom. That way it gets a nice clean stem. All right, now you're going to set your stem off to the side. Take that brown circle we cut out earlier. Keep the pen marked side up for this one. Next, take your glue and make a large circle around the border of the glue. Feel free to apply a generous amount. So now that you have your ring of glue on the center of your flower, what you're going to do is you're going to take your pre-cut petals and you're just going to lay them gently over the glue to where a triangular side sticks out. And if you have multiple color sides, make sure the yellow is what sticks out. Your petals laid, then go ahead and take your glue. I'm using E6000. It's really strong and going to be super durable. You're going to want something that's really durable for this part, because then you're going to take your glue and lay a large amount in the center. Now we're going to take that flower stem we had from earlier. You're going to bend over the top, kind of create a circular shape to it. Once you get a nice firm circular bend, you're going to take it, you're going to press that into the center of your flower. It's okay if some of the glue oozes out, just make sure you press really firm. So you want the glue to get a nice hold on that base. Then, once you have your glue and it sets for a little bit, you can take your flower, turn it over, and you have a beautiful sunflower. And that is how you make a sunflower.